Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is Saturday and I don't know what's the date today.
Saturday.
Yeah, but the date.
I don't know.
Yeah, but anyway, it's Saturday and it's actually 6 in the evening na, and we went outside. Naglalakad-lakad kami ngayon dito. It's because it's nice weather. It's not that cold. So pwedeng maglakad-lakad dito, and it's my day off. So, yun. And we were just at home the whole day kasi nga day off ko. So, I was thinking, okay, get out, have fresh air. And tsaka, okay din kasi, ano, wala masyadong tao. So yun guys, nandito na kami. Martin is there, walking. And it's nice because it's fresh air actually. And you know what, we live just really in that side there. And it's because we live here, so we don't really appreciate it that much. You understand? But a lot of people are actually coming here, like especially tourists. And then because there's like a lake in there, so there's a lot of birds and all that, and they take pictures. So yun, lakad-lakad muna tayo, pa fresh air muna. And I'm so happy kasi day off, and when it's day off, it's a happy day. Yeah, as in. And also tomorrow, day off. No, hindi. Actually, tomorrow is the day where, we have to wash clothes, ganon, the normal household chores. But today, I really didn't do anything. Nothing. I just sleep, eat, and now we're walking.
We need to eat more.
Yeah, we need to eat more. No, it's so pretty. Don't really look at everything. Like, wow. And you hear all that.
It's called birds.
Is it? You take a picture of me there. Just take a... Nice.
Hi vlog. Hi everybody, we are out walking in the woods and I just turned around. Let's see if she will follow or she will continue. We don't know that. What to do? We don't know. But I'm going. That's for sure.
Martin, why are you so bad?
Why am I bad?
You go there.
We could do that. But that's a ghost forest. I don't want to go there. I'm afraid of the ghosts. No, it's stopping there. You can even see it stopping. So it's a trail. We gotta go to the trail. Are we? We gotta go to the trail. Okay, we gotta go to the trail.
What then? What did it big look at all those really tall trees? The last time we were here, it was not green at all. It was still gray and dark and sad. And now see, it's just like from one day to another, it becomes so pretty. It's almost 7, guys, but then look at it, it's still so bright.
Everything I touch will break. And every day you give and I take. I'm living the best that I can, but fate never followed my plans. I'm holding you back, so I want you to pack up and grow. Everything you've done is great.
Kami sa medyo bahay-bahay where you can see all na mga possible birds na makikita dito. And it's always been so nice in here because it's like so peaceful. Kita yung lake. Kita yung lake dito. But, ang hindi lang maganda, first time kong pumunta dito na ganito kadumi. It's because, ewan ko, may mga nagpupunta dito that's not that responsible at iniiwan lang yung kanilang mga basura dito. And it's sad. Pakita ko. As soon as you come in here, kita nyo naman. There. Ano bang nangyayari sa mundo? Ang ganda sana dito magtambay, but then people are becoming so irresponsible. So, okay. Kasi may candles, pwedeng maghuge, ganyan. Tapos actually, there's parang, I don't know, like basura dyan, ganyan. Pero medyo madumi siya. Anyways, it's the view. It's the largest lake in Denmark. Yan. And this is just literally next to where we are living. See? It's so pretty. There, very peaceful. And then, pag pumunta ka dito, these are the, yun nga, yung possible na mga birds na makikita dito. That's why there's a lot of tourists coming here and taking pictures and videos. Kasi nga, this, yun. Those are the kinds of birds na makikita dito. Nandito pala kami, guys. Arisu. There you go. Tapos ang dami. There. Kaya gusto ko nga sana na this summer, we have to make an effort to actually really go out and be more of outside. Kasi, Denmark is maginaw. And pag summer naman, may time talaga na mainit. So, let's take advantage of this. It's so pretty. Right, Tong? It's pretty?
I'm pretty.
You are?
I'm a pretty boy.
Guys, I thought walang snake dito sa Denmark, pero meron pala. There. It's called grass snake. So, yon. Pero isang klase lang, no? That's the only kind of...
Oh, that's number 2. We got one more.
Ah.
A cup of coffee in the morning, and I get the paper. I check the headlines and decide that I am bored. I check my email